I'm now going to read out the BNI Code of Ethics.
Okay.
At the end of each statement, you have to say, I agree.
Okay.
I will provide the quality of services at the prices I have quoted.
I agree.
I will be truthful with the members and the reference.
I agree.
I will build goodwill and trust among the members and the reference.
I agree.
I take responsibility for following up on the reference that I receive.
Perfectly.
I will display a positive and supportive attitude.
I agree.
I will live up to the ethical standards of my profession.
I agree.
I will display a positive attitude and sponsor the social of Odyssey on 25th April.
I agree.
Could I now ask all the members to stand up, please? Do we as members commit to do everything in our power to help Mr. Jagdish Raghunandan gain more business through the Givers Gain philosophy and our membership in BNI?
Yes, we do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Ashwin, do you know what your image is in the chapter? So you are the Thakur of the chapter. इसके हाथ तो कटे हुए हैं, but पूरी story यही चलाता है picture की.
Once again, do you know what is your image in the Odyssey chapter? You are the माँ of the chapter. सब रोते बच्चे आपके पास ही आते हैं.
Really? Do you know what are you? You know, we have sent him for training to learn karate and ninja so that he manages his finances properly and collects money from everyone on time.
So the vision which this LT has is business for one and all. So that is why we are here in Odyssey. Like Amit Mehta asks every time, who all are here for business? So we are here for business, and that is our vision. Business for each and every member in Odyssey. That is our goal for the next 6 months. So these are the goals which we have kept. Current chapter in the green is 23%. Our target is 40%. Chapter growth, we have 66 members currently. We aim to get to 80. Retention is 70%. We want to keep it over 95%. That means we don't want to lose any existing member. Traffic light position, the current LT achieved number 1 in Mumbai West once for us. We would like to be top 5 in India. So we are aiming to be top 5 in India. The attendance is currently at 95%. We would like to get it to 100%. Today also we had one absentee, but we would like to get it to 100%. And business generation, which is the most important part. Currently we did about close to 7 crores of business in the last 6 months, and we aim to double it. So that is the aim which the LT has currently, and we need your support for that.
So what are we doing to make sure that we are reaching our goals? We have taken few innovative initiatives and activities we have planned for in the coming 6 months. One of it is all our 8-minute presentations shall be video recorded. Okay, and the presentations will be forwarded to the presenter with a signature and a contact details. And the presenter can forward to their contacts, their customers or their referral partners. And also maybe you can send it to a fellow partner before doing it one-to-one, so that he can understand more about your business, and you can speed it up, right? And do you know that we are the only BNI chapter in India who are doing this? No other chapter has done this kind of thing. The cost of this video recording can run anywhere between 6,000 to 10,000, but courtesy our fellow new members Ravi Tiwari and Shashank Sharma, we have to pay just rupees 250.
Oh wow!
Actually, if you see that 250 rupees is only for the transportation of equipment. Actually, they are not charging anything. We have also created an Odyssey YouTube channel. All these the presentations will be uploaded to the YouTube channel, provided the presenter is okay with it. Right? Then the YouTube link will be forwarded to the member. He can also send through emails and forward to their own contact.